Next, I'll discount each of these cash flows, and to do this, I'll return to my previous formula. And from the formula, I'll simply divide the cash flow by 1 plus the discount rate, all to the power of the number of years into the future that we received that cash flow. So in my formula in Excel, I'll write equals, select the annual cash flow, and then divide by 1 plus the discount rate, all to the power of the number of years, which is simply cell C10. I'll then close the bracket and press Tab. I'll simply copy this formula for the remaining cells. And as we'd expect, the value of our annual cash flows decreases over time.